Bitcoiner, today I'm gonna show you how to play in Rolling.io. Rolling.io is the best gambling site that I recommend to you to play and win big prizes of Bitcoins. The good to Rolling.io is responsive. It means you can play in smaller screen size of gadget. I'm using Huawei tablet. As you can see, it's fit to the screen. So let's start. As you can see, the homepage of Rolling.io. If you don't have an account, you can make it by setting up a username in the text area. My username is Bitcoin Team PH09 and press get started. As you can see, our account is created and I have a zero balance, but we can deposit or get a free Bitcoins in free Bitcoin tab. Check the captcha box. Select all image of storefront. Verify and please claim your Bitcoin stamp. So I change my captcha and now we have a balance and now we can start playing. I'm set my bet in minimum, and if you want auto bet, you can press robot like that, and I'm using manually. I choose roll higher than 50, loser, winner, loser, loser, as you can see, our balance is increasing a little bit. If you have one strategy or technique, you can share it in comment below. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more video and update about Bitcoin. Thank you guys. Bye.